बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। हेल्थ एंड सेफ्टी की क्लास नंबर 11 में हम आपको खुशामदीद कहते हैं। चलो दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं। विच 5 न्यू क्वेश्चंस वी आर गोइंग टू कवर इन दिस ट्यूटोरियल। So friends, we will cover today general safety precautions in constructions, how to erect scaffolding and safety precautions of scaffolding, what control measures are necessary in confined space, and safety rules when using ladders. So our first question for today's class, what are the general safety precautions in constructions? Adequate first aid equipment should be kept ready. Adequate fire fighting equipment should be available. All general electrical rules should be followed. Suitable lighting arrangements should be necessary at night work. Workmen at height should be wear safety belts. Workmen handling cement should be provided with goggles, rubber gloves, and rubber boots by nose mask. The moving parts of grinding machine used construction site should be covered with guards. Excavated material should not kept near the excavated area. Our next question, how to erect scaffolding. It should be erected on levels from ground. It erected by trained, skilled persons. It is constructed using metal pipes and wooden boards. It should be designed and constructed from good and sound material, not to be erected on loose earth. Clamps should be fixed properly bracing. Sole plate is necessary the base of vertical pipes. Our next question for today's class, safety precautions for the scaffolding. Wooden board should not be painted. Wooden board should not to have any cracks. Check for the rust in pipes and clamps. Clamps should fixed properly and should have good quality. Board thickness should be 3 to 4 centimeters and should not bending. The constructions must be rigged, properly based. Use of good and sound materials. The wooden billies should not any joints. Vertical poles should not be more than 6 feet. Chains, ropes used for suspension for scaffoldings. Never throw any material from the height. Use safety harnesses while working at above 6 feet and properly ties to be arrangements. What control measures are necessary in confined space? Number 1. Enter with airline BA sets. Number 2. Use 24V flame-proof hand lamps. Number 3. A hole watch to be kept near manhole. Number 4. Keep firefighting equipments ready. Number 5. Gas test to be done to check for oxygen level. Number 6. Provide blowers. Number 7. Don't smoke in confined space. Number 8. Use ropes and harnesses. Number 9. The space should be clean before entry. Number 10. Use non-sparking tools if there is any risk of flammable weapons should be present. Our next question for today's class, what are the safety rules when we are using ladders? The footwear should not greasy, oily or muddy and has a good grip on the rungs. When climbing or coming down from the ladder, should be face the ladder side and head on with both hands. Number 3. Carry light tools in pockets in a shoulder bag. Number 4. Hold on with at least new hand if use of both hands, then use safety belt. Number 5. Never climb higher than the third rungs from the top of strand or second tier from the top of extension ladder. Number 6. Step ladder must be fully open and divider locked. Number 7. Metal ladder shall not be used near electrical equipments. Number 8. Metal ladder should not be placed on firm footing and at angle of 75 degree. Number 9. Any ladder found defective in any way should be marked with do not use. Number 10. Ladder shall not be placed on box or drum. Number 11. Rubber protection on head and heel of the ladder is necessary. जी तो दोस्तों ये थी हमारी क्लास नंबर 11। मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह क्लास नंबर 12 में विद 5 न्यू सेफ्टी क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स के साथ। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिए। अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, लाइक करें और कमेंट्स करें। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिए, दुआओं में याद रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।